In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signing using DocuSign. Sending documents for e-signature has never been easier, and by the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to do just that. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Templates tab. This is where we'll begin the process of setting up our document for signing. On the Templates tab, you'll find an option that says Create Template. Go ahead and click on it. This step is essential because templates help streamline the process, making future transactions much more efficient. Now, within this template, the first thing you'll do is give it a name. Choose something that reflects the document's purpose so you'll easily remember its use when you return. After naming your template, it's time to upload the document you'd like to be filled out and signed. Click to upload and select your file. It's a straightforward process, but ensure that your document is complete and correct before proceeding. Next, you'll add the roles of recipients, specifying who needs to fill out and sign the document. If you're creating a template that will be reused by different people, you can leave the recipients' names and email fields blank. This flexibility allows this template to be utilized multiple times without needing to create a new one each time. Now, you'll want to personalize the email subject line that your recipients will see when the document is sent. This is your chance to clearly convey the purpose and importance of the document they are about to sign. Additionally, consider adding a message in the email body for further clarity or instructions. This helps set the context for your recipients, ensuring they understand what's being requested. Once you've set up your email information, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to the DocuSign Fields editor. Here, you'll add the necessary input fields that your recipients will need to complete. This includes adding a signature field, as well as any other fields required for your document. Take your time to ensure all fields are correctly placed and formatted, as this streamlines the signing process for your recipients. After you're satisfied with the arrangement, simply click on Save and Close. Your template is now ready and visible in the Templates tab. At any point, you can select this document to use by hitting the Use button. From here, fill in the specific recipient names and email addresses for this particular transaction. Once everything looks good, press Send. Congratulations! Once sent, your document will be on its way to the selected recipients, who will then be able to review, fill out, and sign it conveniently. And just like that, you've mastered how to send a document for signing using DocuSign. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.